Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Hychika Cordless Reciprocating saw 18 volts with 2 batteries. Better tools for better life. Let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Manual, one saw blade for wood and one for metal, and we have 2 batteries. I like that. Indicator light with a button, release button, soft elements around protecting the battery. Lithium ion, 18 volts, 2 ampere hours, 13.6 watt hours. I like it. And of course we have the charger with a cable length 2 meters. 2 indicators at the front with an output 20 volt 2 amp. This one I need to charge. Red light is charging. When goes to green, is fully charged. You can use one battery pack and charge the other one. Very convenient. And we have the tool. Features a rubberized grip for better control and a new shock absorbing structure to reduce vibration. Nice. Soft elements around. Black and green color, feels very robust. Safety switch prevents accidental startup for added security. We have adjustable cutting speed from 0 to 2800 SPM for different materials and applications. LED working light for a dark working environment. Base locking button here, release and remove the adjustable base plate. And at the front we have the tool-free blade change. Enables fast and easy blade replacement without additional tools. Rotate, press and it locks. So easy. Rotate again and remove. And you can insert the adjustable base plate, adjust it and lock. I just love it. It is ideal for cutting wood, PVC, metal pipes and branches with 22 mm stroke length. So let's move on for testing. Versatile and portable power tool designed for cutting through a variety of materials, including wood, metal and plastic. It's ideal for DIY enthusiasts, construction professionals and anyone needing a reliable cutting tool for home improvement projects. If you are a DIY enthusiast or contractor or just someone who loves having reliable tools on hand, this reciprocating saw is definitely worth considering. It's affordable, easy to use, and built to handle tough jobs. Benefits of using the Hychika Cordless Reciprocating saw: portability, no cord, mean you can take it anywhere, whether you are working on construction site or home project. Easy to use, the tool-free blade change and ergonomic design make it user-friendly, even for beginners. Efficiency, the adjustable speed and powerful motor ensure clean, fast cuts through various materials. Cost-effective, a great value for its price, offering professional-grade performance at an affordable cost. And that's it, everyone. We've just taken a deep dive into the Hychika Cordless Reciprocating Saw 18V. And I have to say, this tool is a game changer for anyone tackling heavy-duty cutting tasks. Whether you are cutting through wood, metal or PVC, this saw delivers power, precision and portability all in one package. If you are interested in picking up the reciprocating saw, I've left a link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more tool reviews, DIY tips and project ideas. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, keep building, keep creating, and I'll catch you in the next video.